I'm starting my day. So guys, my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. Oh, okay. I'm working as a BA lead consultant. Course duration is 50 to 60 hours, and daily class duration 1 hour, and Monday to Friday classes. And based on your interest, on Saturdays we will take the sessions. But Monday to Friday compulsory classes, and we provide daily live class videos, and the videos access will be till 1.5 years, and 2 near real-time projects, and multiple case studies. Kindly look at the board, please. And solid theory and practical materials provided. And prerequisite, nothing. And if you have knowledge in Excel or SQL, add advantage. Qualification, any graduate is okay. GUI or coding, it is fully supportive graphical component, the current component with low code. And the training is from basics to advanced in a simple but very detailed manner. And if you're really looking for a detailed training, or be end-to-end, you want to see all you want to learn properly, and you want to make it suitable for multiple projects or almost all projects, definitely my training is helpful for you. I confidently say each and every option I cover, and real-time level, whatever you require, that I will cover. Not like ad hoc subject or dynamic subject for 15 hours or 20 hours. So within 15, 20 hours, nobody can complete the course. In case they say like that, it's wrong statement. If 15 hours, 20 hours sufficient for a course, then everyone will come to IT only. They will do a first trial in IT and then they go to other streams. It's not possible. And if a tool is, if a tool having less subject where candidates can learn 15 days or 20 days, then the tool is not strengthy. It's a weak tool, lightweighted tool. The market also accordingly. But Power BI is very strong, and it is not possible for anyone to cover in 15, 20 days. For their business perspective, they may say, but the subject is very rich, very strong. It's a leader. How come a leader is very weak with respect to content? And I'm going to cover Power BI subject in 2 months with this content. This is environment related, and this is subject related. Environment related, data warehouse fundamentals, data model fundamentals, Agile methodology, GitHub versioning. These all we cover as part of environmental concepts. You are entering into this environment, so you need to know what exactly this environment has. And I will cover 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. And 3 to 4 hours SQL sessions I will take, because you may work with SQL in the real time. And then whenever your input is database, that time SQL knowledge is required. I will give you 3 to 4 hours, but this is not sufficient for interviews. And you cannot work in real time with this knowledge. 3 to 4 hours, what you will learn hardly the 1 or 2 concepts. But I will make it meaningful to bring the data from database to Power BI, use effectively in Power BI. So in the 3-4 hours, and some optimization techniques I will explain. But my recommendation, learn separately SQL for 1 month or 40 days and prioritize 9 topics. I'll give you the list of 9 topics. Prioritize only those topics for interview and working. You do not require complete SQL in Power BI projects or any BA projects, only limited topics. But get understanding of complete subject. What exactly SQL has, what type of components it has, everything learn completely. Let us prioritize only 9 topics. And I will give you understanding about tabular cubes for 2 hours. Job trials, resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews, these all I will conduct. It is compulsory. And coming to cloud components. So this is environment related, your project related components. And coming to subject wise, Power BI available in the cloud, Power BI available in the on-premises. And cloud level desktop is available with these concepts. Cloud level, cloud service available for storing and managing. And on-premises level, report server desktop is available with these concepts. And report server available with this operation. And page related report builder available for this operation. So Power BI subject, cloud components are this, on-premises components are this. Understood?
Yes, sir.
But what are these? I will explain in detail now, don't worry. But without having knowledge on this complete part, you're not a good Power BI developer. You cannot start your career properly in the Power BI. Maybe you work in 1 or 2 reports in the company, but if you're expecting a long-lasting career, definitely you will stuck everywhere. Some companies are using on-premises components. Some companies are using cloud components. And Power Apps and Power Automate also will cover for 4 hours. So the next 2 months, you are going to learn project-related content, environment-related content, as well as Power BI components. If I don't cover this, I cannot include real-time part in this area. That's the reason I'm covering. Here, subject you learn. Here, some real-time including you learn. And institute side, we will provide theory practical material. And the training is fully practical on the training. Except today, from tomorrow, all the sessions are practical. Today is fully theoretical session regarding Power BI, environment, everything I will give you awareness today. But from tomorrow, complete practical sessions. Theory followed by practical. And you'll be having good interaction with me in the classroom and online. And the current batch is classroom and online batch. And there are a couple of people in the classroom as well. And FAQs discussed. And daily live class videos also shared. And we'll conduct resume preparation sessions. And WhatsApp group also created for our communication. Very effective communication. So what all basically you require, everything we are providing. Only one thing, you need to have a dedicated learning interest. Okay, systematically I will learn, slowly, perfectly I learn. Then yes, definitely my classes are good. And after these classes, you can try as a Power BI developer less than 5 years. Power BI developer plus DAX plus SQL. And Power BI support. So what is DAX? It is a language inside Power BI. I will take 10-hour classes on this. So this part I will handle, don't worry. So 90% opportunities on this combination only. 90%. Power BI and SQL. And you can try as a Power BI support resource. Recently started, and couple of companies recruiting support people and admin people. And some companies in the combination MSBA plus Power BI, Tableau plus Power BI, Azure plus Power BI, Synapse plus Power BI. Some companies are recruiting. So if you keep less than 5 years, these are the opportunities available. And coming to senior roles, more than 5 years, modeler, designer, specialist, architect, these kind of roles available for more than 5 years. But this course is not sufficient. And if you want to try as a modeler, designer, architect, Compulsory 1 or 2 projects, end-to-end knowledge required. Without having good practical experience, domain experience, you cannot try on these roles. But if you're expecting a very good career, next couple of years, you don't want to see back, then these are the opportunities available. You may start as a developer, but moving forward, you can enter into this in technical roles. So this is what Institute provides. And these are the opportunities you can try. And I will show you what exactly we will provide and how do we provide. Yes.
Hi, Vinay.
Give me 2 minutes, madam. I will open
Sure.
for your questions. So
Sure.
these are the batches currently I'm handling. I have 6 batches. So 7 a.m. June batch completed by yesterday. So today onwards, your batch started. In any batch you take, daily videos you will receive. Recently completed 10 a.m. June batch. So 65 classes I conducted, and including project explanation and practice, and tabular cubes, Azure a couple of sessions, resume preparation for every batch like this, starting from video 1. Whether you're offline or online, no matter, attending or not, no matter, but you will get daily video like this, video and documents, starting from today. First demo, second demo, demo overview, Power BI components, account creation, workspace, etc. In case you don't have much time and you want to complete the course early and you are okay with the videos, you can take videos as well. But my recommendation, learn live. In case you don't have time, then take videos. All the videos available within detailed subject. So in this area, the lab setup, what you require, you'll find here. There are different types of lab practice files, databases, components, different types. And second one, in this area, all videos available, and this is all materials. How to view the videos also explained very clearly in this area. How to view the videos. Like this, you will get it. And coming to communication, a proper communication available, systematic updates you will receive in your WhatsApp level. For any batch you take, this is 6 p.m. batch, offline people. Yeah, once the video is placed, they will receive a message like this. Video placed, this is a topic covered for today. Very rarely you find like this in other institutions. And last week, I conducted a project session, weekend session, project explanation practice, partial practice, 6 to 7 p.m. last Saturday. So even prior to that Saturday as well, I took this session, project practice. Like this, you will get proper updates. Conclusion. So in the 2 months, environment related this content, Power BI related this content I'm covering, cloud on-premises and all. And we will provide this part and you're eligible for these opportunities. Take current batch. Why we need to go for little old batches? My projection is working on more and more case studies, projects, and good subject. Take 6 p.m. batch. Recently started August batch. Just have a look. So 2nd August the batch started. For second demo, a practical example tomorrow. Demo overview. Later practical classes only. And on the 8th class, case studies only we discussed. Case study 1, case study 2, case study 3, case study 4.
Okay, and you mean scenario level? Or...
No, listen, sir. Let me complete it.
Okay.
So case study 4. And after case study 4, so case study 4 took around 1 week time. 1 week time, including testing, deployment, GitHub practice, versioning everything, whatever you require in the real-time way, I conducted for these people. In the weekend, if people permit, I will take these kind of sessions. Power apps, report embedding, these kind of. And already for this batch, last weekend, one project also completed. So one side course will run, another side project and case studies will run. This one, September 17th. And again, yeah, maybe last week. One project so far I explained for this batch. And again, one more project is there. And each project, if you want to complete, it will take 30 to 40 hours minimum. One project minimum duration 30 to 40 hours. Right. Don't worry about the practical part and subject part. Maximum practical 100 sessions. No theory. Except today.
Okay, Vinay.
Except today.
Vinay, as you are saying, the Saturday and Sunday sessions will be only on practicals.
Sunday
There
no
will be no
classes.
class, right? Yeah, Saturday, Sunday.
No, Sunday no classes.
Okay.
In case you people are interested on Saturday, I will take project related classes on Saturday.
Okay. The practice session will be on Saturday.
Every day practical session only, sir.
Okay.
The training
That's
is only practical oriented training. But coming to project, I'm saying, based on the students' interest, on the Saturdays, I will take project classes.
Okay.
Everything is practical only, no theory.
Yeah. Thanks, Vinay.
So these are the SQL classes I conducted for those people. You can see this 30th, 31st, sorry, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 4 classes, as I told you. Right, so whatever I'm telling here, I stand by on that. Right, next one. Please don't write anything. Simply listen to the session. So we are in the era of artificial intelligence. I'll give you a clear graphical document. Kindly go through it. After completing the demo, video and document, both you will receive, whatever I explain here. Just go through it. And non-IT people, I use technical words. Please do not confuse. But daily you come across the same terminology, you feel bored after 2-3 days. First day, you may feel little panic. What is this? But after 2 or 3 days, you feel very bored. And IT people, this is a demo class. So a little theory I will give you, an important theory today, but from tomorrow, practical classes. Sir, sir, let me continue. You can ask questions. Object. My first demo agenda. Introduction 20 minutes. My institute and what I'm covering, what we provide. And next 40 minutes till 8:10 the batch will continue. I'm explaining data to Microsoft Fabric understanding. Next 40 minutes, I'm going to explain this. Session run till 8:10 a.m. And tomorrow, second demo at 7 a.m. And Monday onwards at 7 a.m. regular classes. Daily 7 to a.m. sharp. The current batch is 7 to 8 a.m. batch. Tomorrow, second demo, and Monday onwards regular classes at 7 to 8 a.m. And attend tomorrow demo as well. And attend tomorrow demo and practice it for a while. I will tell you how to download the software, how to install it, how to generate a report. Practice this week. Continue from Monday. And whatever I'm giving next 40 minutes is really important. So data to Microsoft Fabric, I'm going to give you. This understanding you will not get from all the places. So kindly listen to it properly. And coming to second demo, first demo recap for 10 minutes tomorrow, and then we go for practical part. And this is today's agenda, and this is tomorrow's agenda. And my subject is good enough to work any kind of project in the real time, because complete understanding I'm providing. You can try for interviews. If you are preparing for Microsoft certification, there is an exam called PL 300. 70 to 80% I'm covering in that subject. 70 to 80%.
Sir, can I ask my question?
Yes, please.
Sir, how long can we practice at your institute, sir? That is after your class. So,
Morning 7 to till night 9 p.m. the institute open. You can come at any time and you can practice, and no restriction like 2 months or 1 month. So you can come.
Okay.
You can come for any year also, no problem. We have students for the last 10 years. They come on and off and go. Even they got job. They're working in projects, but for better motivation to take my help, they're coming to the lab and practicing it. Even you can prefer that.
Okay, when you will be available in person, sir?
So, sir, we will discuss all those things. Kindly call my number.
Fine, sir. Definitely.
Once again, I'm requesting you kindly provide your mobile number and email ID in the chat room so that you will receive demo videos and documents.
Hi Vinay, I have a question if you don't mind.
Let me continue for a while, sir. I'll open again.
Yeah.
So this is a hierarchy I'm going to explain next 35 minutes. Data to Microsoft Fabric. You all must have knowledge on this, compulsory. Without this, you cannot start up properly. What is data? Anything you are able to store is called data. You know very well. And knowingly or unknowingly, we are working on 3 types of data, and those are the 3 types available in IT. First one, structured data. And the table level data, Excel level data come under structured because column by column data available like this. ID, name, age, degree. This is structured data. And proper structure we have. Second one, semi-structured, not fully structured. Partial structure. 1, John, 18, BSc. 2, David, 31, PhD. This is semi-structured. Partially structured. And this is called metadata, university, student ID, name. You can say structure. And this is data. 1, John, 18, BSc, this is data. Metadata and data. So usually JSON, JavaScript object notation file, XML file, these kind of files having this kind of structure. Then third one, unstructured. Your social media data, your WhatsApp data, your Twitter data, your documents data, unstructured, no structure, like this. When you type an email, you don't bother about structure. Even WhatsApp message, Facebook message. So those are unstructured. These are the 3 types of data available. Sir, do we need to have knowledge on all the 3? Compulsory. Different companies using different types of data in BA level. And Power BI is the only one application in the market which is providing support to any type of data. And directly companies are asking the candidate should have knowledge on JSON and so data. The candidate should have knowledge on database and cubes. The candidate should have knowledge on email data retrieval and generate a report. And I will cover around 10 sources in the classroom. File source, these 2 I will cover, these 2 I will cover, and even web data I will cover, web data. Like this 10 sources I will cover in the classroom. So with that, you will get confidence to work on remaining sources. Okay? Right. So this data companies are maintaining in 2 storages. One is file storage, second one database storage. There are no other storages. Anyone, if they want to keep the data either in the form of file or database table, no other. And the storage area, the files or databases may be on premises within your company server level or your device level, your organization level. Or second one, somebody else storage, cloud. And we guys knowingly or unknowingly using both. And our mobile images. And initially we are placing on mobile device. Am I right? Yes. Later we are taking backup. Where it is taking? Drive. Google Drive or Samsung, Apple Cloud, etc. So this backup is in the cloud, and the images, videos in the mobile device means on premise. Your contacts nowadays in the Gmail, G Drive, cloud. So 3 types of data available, 2 formats of storage, and 2 areas we are keeping. So do not confuse what is cloud, somebody else storage area. We connect with an account, usually mail account, rarely mobile number. Now IT applications. This data used in the IT application, there are many types available, not 1-2 types. Online transaction processing. This is for business operations. Online analytical processing. This is for analysis, artificial intelligence, data science, etc. Many operations available. And major IT applications, major 90% IT applications, either business running or business analysis. Business running applications technically called as OLTP, technical word. And here business operations take place. So your IRCTC ticket booking comes under business running application. Your Book My Show, IRCTC, Book My Show, and your bank, online banking. These are all day-to-day transfers, day-to-day operations only. Transactional applications. At the end of your booking, you will get a message, either IRCTC or Book My Show or online banking, transaction success or transaction fail only. That's why we call these applications as transactional applications. You swipe a card, either transaction success or declined only. That's why these are called transactional applications. So unknowingly, we are daily working on this. And how do we work? As a general public, we use forms, either web form, desktop form, mobile form, we use it. Fill the details. Finally, the data stored in a database level. That is OLTP database. So we use forms and web or desktop or mobile forms. Finally, we book and data available in the database. Got clarity? Yes. But this data is not required for the management team. Management team always expect a different type of data. Always expect analytical data. And we also call it as BI data, business intelligence data. Like this. See an example of transactional application. When you book a train ticket, PNR number, amount, number of passengers, start date, end date, train number. This kind of information available in the database storage. But management team, they don't bother about our individual tickets. They always try to see the number of trains having highest booking today. The trains not having any booking. North region demanded trains, South region demanded trains. The coaches which are not having booking for the last 10 days, 20 days, etc. How come you convert this data into this? Assume you're running a departmental store in your hometown. Yeah. You want to find at the end of the week, end of the month. So what is the total sugar I saw? And what is the demand of sugar? What is the demand of dal? And which season dal having highest demand? Which season dal not having any demand? That comes under analysis. but that data is called analytical data, and you can call technically business intelligence data. But this data only, the business data only, we make it intelligent data. This is called intelligent data. But how? We have a process called BA process, and some people say OLAP process. By using this process, we convert normal transactional data into analytical data. This analytical data in the form of web or desktop or mobile, we will present. But how? Not like forms. We use forms for the booking, but management team, they will not use forms. They use reports or dashboards. So your responsibility, the people who are attending the demo, once you join the course, once you complete your course, your responsibility is taking the transactional data, business data, and generating reports and dashboards by implementing this process. So you implement this process and you generate reports and dashboards and support in the organizational growth. Support in the organizational growth. Got clarity? All of you okay? Now I'll explain a little more. What is BA? Normal one, intelligence data of the business. This is abbreviation, business intelligence. Simply business data intelligence. And that is analytical data or decision-making data. And we call a person as an intelligent when he is able to take good decisions. His analytical skills are good. The same thing. On the business, if you do good analytical operations, the data is BA data, business intelligence data. What is the input? As I told you, input could be any type of data, anywhere the data. But ultimately, output from the BA report or dashboard. Then what are the differences between reports and dashboards? Multiple available, but one or two I will tell you now. Report for individual operation. And report for low level data, not for high level data. And this is for multiple individual operations area. And this is for high level data presentation. And you have multiple reports, let us assume. This multiple reports data you can use in a single area to construct a high level representation area. Got clarity? Right. But how come, sir? We convert this data into this data. I said BA process. So what type of BA process we have? And little technical I'm explaining. And non-IT people do not feel panic. Daily we are going to implement the same in the real time. And classroom also the same thing we are going to implement. You feel bored after 2 days, I'm sure. So BA process I'm explaining. So these are the layers suggested by companies early 90s. So BA process available from 90s only. Prior to that, not available. So you have your company data. So general public using these platforms, operating data, and that is in your file level, database level. This is your company storage, company business data area. So here customers are operating data here, and your company management team here. And they will see reports or dashboards via web, mobile, or desktop. But how come this data converted like this? And scientists suggested, first one, take the data, do intermediate operations, load the data. This is called data gathering. Simply gather the data into huge storage area, huge data storage. Because daily you are bringing the data and loading into it, definitely it is huge. It contains terabytes of data to petabytes of data. And this process technically called as ETL process, extract, transform, load. These are the ETL tools available in the market. Informatica, the number one ETL. Data stage, not storage, data stage, Ab initio, etc. ETLs. So by using these tools, we move data into huge storage. And huge storages are Teradata, Oracle, DB2, SQL Server, many more available. And these are mostly companies prefer for huge storage. They have the capability to maintain it. And okay, you are maintaining daily data here and huge data available, historical data available. In this area only, historical data we maintain. But we never use complete data for analysis. I need last 1 week data in the report. I need last quarter data in the report, last semester data in the report. How? Then specific data we take and then aggregate operations applied, like sum, average, count, max, etc. And analytical operations like rank, standard deviation, normalized distribution, right tail normal distribution, analytical operations. So a specific data storage and aggregate analytical operations we prepare in an area called cube area, and some people they say technically semantic area. Because even you're running a business, you don't analyze every product every day. Only the current running products you analyze more. And this data easily presented using reports or dashboards, data presentation. And this will be given to the management team in these platforms. So if you want a proper analytical system where business data to be converted to decision-making data, first layer and first process ETL required. Second layer, second process huge storage. Third layer, third process semantic area, required data storage. Fourth one, presentation. So this is a legacy BA process. Till this day, all companies following this. No exception to any company. If you want a decision-making system, this is a fixed process. You want to construct a house. What is the process we follow? Foundation, pillars, ceiling, side walls, later partitions. The same way, this is a systematic process to construct analytical system. There's no other process. If you listen to it first time, you may feel panic, but daily the same thing we follow. But and legacy BA level, the problem is multiple tools required, multiple setups required, and multiple resources also required. Very costly, sir. And you don't believe, till 2005, this process only by MNCs and top MNCs, not normal, not middle. Even MNCs also, they were not happy with this process. The reason, multiple tools they need to recruit, multiple people, so the multiple tools they need to install, multiple licenses, multiple setups. It was tedious for the companies. They felt very difficulty. So Microsoft noticed, why don't we release, see the important point, why don't we release a single application area where everything possible? That is MSBA in 2005. It's an on-premises solution. All the MSBA components within your company you can install. So 2005, first time proudly a company announced end-to-end app support. That is MSBA from Microsoft. So Microsoft Business Intelligence. And if you look at these tools, nowhere you find MS. So not MS. Nowhere you find BA. This Cognos, BO, MicroStrategy, nowhere BA. But Microsoft proudly said BA, Microsoft BA. And what it is a suite. The suite, you can say pack. The pack having three major components, actually 5, 6 available, but three major. One is SSIS, integration services. SS for SQL server. SSAS, analysis services. SSRS, reporting services. So IS in this area, SSIS. AS in this area, RS in this area. The three tools. So one suite, multiple tools. That's why people call this as self-service BI suite. What do we call it? What is self-service? If you go to a hotel, self-service means we pay, we go to the counter, we take our plate, we eat and place over there. That's it. Everything self-service. The same thing. It can bring the data, it can gather the data, it can store the data, it can create analytical components or semantic components, help to generate reports. Superb, right? And it's an on-premises solution. Then why Power BI? From Microsoft only we got Power BI. Power BI also came from Microsoft. Why? In case assume Microsoft MSB capability is not good, they can give a new version, right? But why new component? And being a senior resource, I usually ask the same question for maximum people in interview to identify the knowledge they are having. My manager, my senior manager, he is technically very strong. He said nothing great to ask these people, only one thing, to test their knowledge. When MSBA was there, why Power BI? Take Apple organization, Apple. If Apple mobile level, if feature not available, they will give in the new version. Apple 16, Apple 17, Apple 18. They may give a new version. If Apple giving a new product means in the same BA level, definitely there are some changes. What are the changes? Why they given? We are supposed to know. And nowadays we have projects on MSBA Power BI combination also. That I will tell you in the third class. Why still MSBA Power BI combination projects available? Why still companies are using MSBA? That I will tell you in the third class. Otherwise, our time we need to allocate only for these differences only. Kindly cooperate me. Right. And I will tell you the market of MSBA. Market of Microsoft. Kindly focus. And Mike, whether you aware or not, I don't know. Who all inquired in our institute, in your WhatsApp level, these links you got it. I don't know how many of you clicked on it. In this link, you will find the market of Power BI, sorry, market of BI and market of Microsoft. Microsoft named a leader in 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BI platforms. This is not important, sir. So they are saying in 2022, Microsoft is a leader in the analytics and BI. Not only 22. Today we are announcing that 15th consecutive year Microsoft has been positioned as a leader. Last 15 years, Microsoft is a leader in analytics and BI. Last 15 years. So confidently you can start your career. But how come, sir? This leadership brought by MSBA. Not a normal component, wonderful component. See, Microsoft is on top. I'm not saying Power BI. Microsoft on top, Tableau, ClickView, all next. And coming to Power BI, initially Microsoft, MSBA, now Power BI. Both brought good leadership to Microsoft. And see the genuine market of my Power BI now. This is a little old link, not my link, little old link. Power BI jobs demand grows as it dominates market share. 2021, 36% market share by Microsoft. I'm talking about 21, 22, 42%. Yes. Market share. There are many BI tools in the market, not only Power BI, many available. In 21, 36% out of 100, 36% or 36 projects in Power BI only, BA projects. 22, 42%. Remaining 58% is shared by all these components, Tableau, ClickView, SAP, IBM, many more. Looker, Click, Sense, many more. So if someone says no calls to Power BI, no market to Power BI, don't listen to them. Statistics and companies' uses are different. Highly demanded, number one BA analytical component in the market. If leader does not have market, what about others? You think about it. I'm leaving it to you. Just follow statistics. So this is about the market, but how come, sir? I want to show you one important screen. Look at this. Some more beautiful things you will get in the next 10 minutes. Don't leave the window. Stay tuned, guys. Online people. So legacy BI. 90s, the BI started. Multiple tools, setups, resources, very complex. So people preferred MSBI kind of applications. MSBI released in 2005. And every 2 to 3 years, there is a version. 8, 8R2, 12, 14, 16, 17, 19, 22. These are the versions for MSBI every 2 to 3 years. From here, market leader. Market leader, Microsoft from here. Leader, number one. And these are the links I clicked. Now questions. Sir, you are saying from here leader, then why Power BI? This is in the next screen. Getting me? Why was Power BI created when MSBI already exists? Guys, are you not feeling IT is changing drastically? Till last year, last to last year, data science very popular. Wherever you go, data science, data science. Now everyone saying AI, ChatGPT. AI. So drastically changing. Yes. That is a major reason why Microsoft invented Power BI. Till 2004, Facebook announced. Facebook data is unstructured data. Facebook process is different. Google is very popular after 2005. Before that available, but no proper search engine and many more. But after 2005 only it was popular. And cloud is available in the market after 2006. Cloud. And we are using mobile apps after 2010. Mobile apps. So there is a great revolution in the IT industry after 2004. But MSB released before 2004. Before 2004 base market. Because 2005 it was released, which means before 2004 market features only it will support. So MSB a purely on-premises, no cloud. And MSBA level, no mobile and tab-friendly support operations. Even MSB application, you cannot link up with Facebook, Twitter, or your company websites, cloud, and many more. Not possible. Because the engine is different, the process is different, the components are different. That too, earlier days, coding was very popular. Average coding required in MSBA. Compulsory required average coding. And if there is a market change also, not able to implement immediately, the engine was not supporting. Every 2 to 3 years, there is a new version. So Microsoft decided, why don't we give one more component where it continuously track the IT market and take the changes, adapt the changes. Continuously IT market track చేసి changes adapt చేసుకుంటుంది. And current market demands support చేస్తుంది. Supports current market demand. That is Power BI. Adding power to the existing BI. For the existing MSBI, more power added in this area. What is the power? Cloud and on-premises support is there. Cloud available. And mobile and tab-friendly operations possible. Anywhere you can take Power BI report. Facebook people want to show. Our CM want to show a Power BI report in his Twitter, possible. And report visuals, operations, highly suitable. And Power BI level, the greatest important thing, monthly update. Every month you will get the updates. And if you look at Power BI history, 3-4 months ago, and you can see we joined with ChatGPT organizations as part of flexible, smart narratives in our Power BI level. They clearly mention immediately they're joining with the organization. That is a monthly update. This is a major reason why people not able to beat Power BI. Companies not able to challenge Microsoft. And this is a normal point only, but next points are really good. So these are the flexibilities. Not only that, low code, the most beautiful and which we feel comfortable. Many people asking me, I need low code applications only, and I want to get good packages. Possible with Power BI, possible. Low code, not much code. Here average coding is required, here low code. And one more, who will learn all these components here? They are good, IS, AS, RS, but very few people showing interest and very few companies showing interest to install them separately. So Power BI level, we don't have multiple tools. Single application we have. What we have? Single application. And that is having concepts. This is a concept 1 for this operation. Concept 2. This is concept 3. Concept 2 in this area. Concept 3 in this area. So one application, multiple concepts. So what exactly each concept does, I will explain in detail, don't worry. In the regular class, 10 days we are going to work on this. And 5 days we are going to work on this. 15 days we are going to work on this in the regular class. Don't worry. But by using these concepts, we implement end-to-end process. That's why this is called self-service BI application. And what about MSBI? Self-service BI suite. It is a suite with tools. It is an application with concepts. Now I'm concluding the definition. Power BI is a low-code, cloud and on-premises supportive, self-service BI application which generate report and dashboard from data. From data, all it generates. Multiple points. Explain this in interview or wherever you want to explain. Low-code application, cloud and on-premises support, self-service BI application. July 2013 announced. Monthly update we are having from 13 to till this month. 13 to till this. Got clarity? Good. Sir, can I see all these updates? No problem. Earlier I opened a link. Gartner link. Here you can see. September 2023, latest month update. And if you go down on the right hand side, you are able to see monthly updates. We already provided these links. Kindly go through. Again, we will provide today. This is okay, guys. Why Power BI? What type of strength it is having? I clearly explained. Next point. With the given spirit of Power BI, Microsoft decided, why don't we capture market with respect to multiple operations, current trending operations. So one is app development, very trending. App development, very trending. And automated process, very trending that time. And this is 2017-18 market. So Microsoft decided, we will give a low code platform. This complete thing is a low code platform. Important point, keep your focus. Power Platform is a low code platform, actually 18 released, where Power BI joined in that. So Power BI is the first component with reports and dashboards generation with low code. Power Apps is the second component, your mobile and tab friendly apps generation with low code. And you want to perform any automated process with low code possible Power Automate. And this is announced in the market to replace RPA components, robotic process automation components. Yes, Microsoft replaced. Power Automate, very popular. And when you open a website, when you open mobile app, in the right hand side, you will find a human icon, human bot, and ask you how may I assist you. So these are called chatbots. Those chatbots you want to create with low code possible, that is virtual agent. And you started a business, you want to create a web page without recruiting any people. Possible. Power Pages. Take license of Power Pages. There are templates available. Fill your business content and your website is ready. So these are the multiple low-code components available in the market. This is very popular in the market. But they took that initiation with a given spirit of Power BI. This was Microsoft expected. This combination very hot in the market, but companies not showed the interest in this combination.
Hi, Vinay.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'm closing it. So companies
Okay.
not showing interest in these combinations. They are using individually Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, but not combination. So in 2023, this year, in the month of June, and after seeing ChatGPT and many more, Microsoft given Fabric. What they have given? Fabric. So from 2013 to 19, it is in individual. 19 onwards, Power BI in Power Platform. Now in Fabric. What is Fabric? Fabric means an AI collection of components for analytics and data science operations. Analytics, data science, and AI operations. Not fully, partially AI operations. So Power BI is the first component for reporting. Data Factory is the component. This is for data engineering. I will explain in detail, don't worry. Synapse is the component, storage, and data science related concepts. Data Activator is the component, data monitoring, and governance. So now you guys entering into the era of Microsoft Fabric. So Power BI is a Fabric component. So from tomorrow, whatever I'm going to explain, that is Fabric Power BI. What is that? Fabric Power BI. Tomorrow onwards, practically, we see Microsoft Fabric Power BI, not individual Power BI. And next future, Fabric only. Very hot. If anyone interested to learn ETL tool or any other tools along with Power BI, learn this combination only. Very hot. After 6 months, only you find only these combinations. No other combinations. After doing a lot of research, inventions, study in the market, Microsoft given this combination as the best combination. Account also only one account, Fabric account. Account also single account. Got clarity? So don't bother about Power BI or current market, but next future is this only. Start your career with Power BI, learn properly and continue.
Hello, Vinay sir. I am Mutalik. I have a doubt.
1 second, sir. 1 second. I'm closing it. Right.
Okay.
So I explained from data to Microsoft Fabric. Hierarchy, multiple types of data, multiple applications, BI evolution from 90 to till this day. Why Power BI when MSBI was available? What is Power Platform? What made to announce it? What is Fabric? And in which area we are in? We are in the era of artificial intelligence. That too, Power BI comes under Fabric Power BI. Got clarity?
Yes, sir.
Right. I'm concluding now. The current class duration, 2 months, 50 to 60 hours. Daily 1 hour is the class. This is my contact number I already given in the chat room. You can call me. in the given timings to discuss about your career and other things. And I'm working as a BA lead consultant. Monday to Friday compulsory classes, Saturday based on your interest. In the project curriculum level, 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies will be given for your good and better knowledge. Theoretical, practical materials will provide you. Any graduate can learn. But today I use a little technical terminology. Don't feel panic, but from tomorrow you will understand easily. And Power BI easily you can learn because of low code application. And this is today's agenda. Introduction and data to fabric understanding. And tomorrow agenda, recap for 10 minutes and practical demo. And Monday onwards, regular classes at 7 a.m. My course is good enough for detailed subject learning, entry-oriented preparation, certification coverage. I'm stopping now.